Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use PCEX.com for beginner. So if you are not aware of the PCEX exchange and now you want to basically start using it, this guide is for you. First of all, we will start with the registration process. So you will have to simply open your web browser in your phone and search for PCEX exchange. In this list, you will find the first link, that would be PCEX.com. So you will have to simply click on it. Now, once you are on the official website of PCEX, you will see register now option on the home page. So you need to click on the register now option and then provide your email address, verify your email address and create a strong password for your account. And you need to basically start your registration process and log in into your account. Now, once you have successfully logged in, your interface will look something like this. Now you need to deposit some money into the platform in order to basically start using it. So you need to click on these three lines in the top left hand corner and go to assets. In your assets, you will see recharge, withdraw, transfer and exchange option. So the recharge option is the deposit option. Once you click on the recharge option, you will have to select that particular currency which you want to basically deposit. After selecting that currency, you will have to select the network and it will show you the QR code as well as the deposit address in front of you. So you need to use this address in order to deposit USDT or USDC, whichever you have selected in your account. Now, once you have some USDT in your account, you need to simply click on the futures option, and these are the digital currencies which you can trade on this platform. Here you will have to select which currency you want to basically trade, whether you want to do it optional or digital currencies. So here, let's say you want to trade Ethereum USDT. So you will have to simply click on it and it will show you the chart of Ethereum in the bottom. So over here you can change the time frame. By default it will show you the 1 minute time frame, but you can just change it to 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 13 minutes and even 1 day. So it depends on your trading style. Now once this is done, you will have to simply just scroll down a bit and here you will see call and put option. So you need to enter the amount that you want to basically use in this particular trade, and after that, based on your own trading experience, you will have to simply place the order in the long side or in the short side. So this way you will be able to basically start using this platform. Now, before ending this video, I would like to mention that this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and anything that is said or done in this video is not a financial advice. So always do your own diligence before actually trading or using any of the crypto exchanges or platforms. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.